Moses fresh off work, boy. Alright boys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing Moses' exhaust again. We did it but off camera and we didn't make a video about it. But we it has no cats. We did dual X pipe to a dump. And we half-assed it, but it honestly came out pretty good. So, but
those are drilling belts, by the way. We can show you from beginning of the progress of him learning how to weld to what he is now.
Cause I made this X pipe when I first started welding. I just made it just one day, just messing around. Well, anyways, we have some Scatpack mufflers that I did on my buddy's Scatpack. They're just stock mufflers. It's a straight through design, right? Mm-hmm. And then here they are. Yeah, I think they'll sound good. You want to do one or two?
I'll probably say two on both sides because they'll fit like this. They'll fit like this with the circles close together.
I don't think it'll be. I think it'll sound really good, to be honest.
Yeah. We can put one up at the front. I don't know.
Are you wanting to clean these up and make them look good?
Nah.
Not really.
The exhaust doesn't look good.
Try to show you what we got first. Ground's wet. So I had made this like Y pipe to X pipe like when I first started welding, and we made some pretty ugly welds putting it on, but well, I did. I was half-assing it, but it turned out good. But we'll get y'all. We already have a sound clip of what it sounds like right now, which we'll do a comparison when we get the exhaust done. But we'll probably just take the whole exhaust off right after the Y pipe by the headers, and then we'll do it there. It's probably easier that way since we're not laying on the ground because it's kind of wet because it just rained. Once we get the exhaust off, we'll show y'all everything and how we're gonna do it. So let's get it. These are about like 11 inches, so we're gonna 11 inches goes to like almost like right here, so like we're just gonna cut it where it's straight, weld it on, and then put the tips on. So yeah, we'll go ahead and start cutting this. Got one to go. Tack them on there.
We could put another X pipe on.
Like 3 X pipes. It sounds like horsepower to me.
Sounds like somebody cut it.
You gonna put them the right way?
Yeah, I'm putting them the right way.
Money, huh? Alright, we'll get welded real quick. Cold start.
This thing's gonna be super heavy, dude.
Throw her on real quick, man.
She's a little uneven, but
It's gonna be like this.
oh god, dog!
I think she looks fine. I think it'll be fine. Even this one hanger, I feel like it'll do fine. But we'll put the other hanger on though. This is how we looking, boys. Kind of a little slanted, but shit, it'll work. A little slanted. It'd be fine though. This is like when I first started welding. Hasn't changed much. Nope. Pretty much bolted on. We just tacked it. just to see how it sounds. When you first start. No, don't worry about the music. Huh? I think it sounds about the same, just it might be a little bit deeper. Go ahead and give us some revs. What do you think?
I don't know. It sounds like it did before.
What'd you say, Pop Sam?
It sounds good.
Oh, time to take it off. Got this welded up a little bit. They don't look too good, but that's alright. We're all done? Huh? We're all done? Yeah. You can pull that welder out. Alright boys, show you what I'm working with. So we got no cats up front, stock manifolds come all the way through here, the Y pipe, X pipe, Scatpack resonators, dump. It ain't like the best setup you can have, but honestly I think it's gonna sound really good. But we're gonna go up to our spot and get some clips of how it sounds and comparisons. So let's get it. Now, you first start. You can pull it forward. Oh boy. I think it's quieter just a little bit, huh? You ready? You wanna put the head thing on? Go out to our rev spot. Now we're about to go to our rev. Sounds so much better, don't it? Oh, way. Does sound a lot better. Costs more now, don't they? That little intake. Do it again. So y'all seen the before clip, and this is a now clip. This is with again. Yeah, sounds a lot better than it did before. Alright boys, we're doing some late night testing with the exhaust. It's gonna sound so good when you're hitting the throttle.
Dude, it's gonna be loud as fuck.
I don't think it's gonna be that loud because this behind us muffles half of it, you know. Good call. That'll be it for this video. Just a quick little video of me and Moses doing his exhaust. If you have any questions, comment down below what you think about it and how it sounds, because I think it sounds a hell of a lot better than what I did before. I mean, it sounds just about the same. It just doesn't clap as much. You know, we almost like removed that clap. But you know, like the Silverados, when they're real loud, they have that clap at like almost like 3,000 RPMs. Yeah, got rid of that mostly. I mean, we didn't hear it. So yeah, that'll be it for the video. So make sure to like and comment and subscribe, and catch you later.